Today we are making a mousey tutorial. So we are going to use seashells to create mice. Let's go. Oh shit, I just broke the whole thing. Here's the mouse brigade. Rest in peace, buddy. We'll fix you. Alright, so we're going to need a giant cockle, 2 smaller cockles, a baby knee right, 2 kitten paws, and an auger. Let's go. Alright, let's see here. We are going up and we are going to get kitten paws. So you're going to get 2 that are almost identical. Okay, got 2 kitten paws right here. Next up, we need, knee rights. So these are just tiny little fellas, like really tiny. You can do any color or any pattern you want. I am going to get a more solid one. Next up, we are going to need auger. So augers are over here. Let's see what we have. All right, you want to choose one of the biggest augers you have. This will do it. That's pretty big. All right, we got our auger. Now we need to get some cockles. And cockles are down here because we have a ton of them. All right, let's go in here. So we want to pick out 2 that are the same size. And I find the yellow prickly cockles or the Florida prickly cockles to have the most color on the inside. Where if you just get an Atlantic cockle, it'll be pure white. So mice usually have like pink ears. All right, we got 2 ears. And then we're gonna grab a larger cockle. And depending on how big you want your mouse will depend on the shell. I'm just gonna get this one, so good size mouse body. You can do extra large. I think that's 4 inches down to like, I don't know, what is that, 2.5? I'm gonna go for like a good 3-inch body. And let's get back. Okay, so here's our little guy. First, we're gonna get our cockle out, and we are going to get 1 auger, 2 kitten paws, and 2 ears. We've got a nose. We are gonna need 2 eyes. So let's see, this shell is about the same size as that one. So I'm gonna go with eyes that are a little bit bigger. So first, you're just gonna decide where the eyes are gonna be. Oh, hello, glue. Welcome. That's a lot. So you're gonna do 1 eye and 2 eyes. You're going to take the tail and you're going to glue the part that's open right here. And when you glue it, the open part will be the part that rests on the shell. So when you look at it from a different angle, you see the entire shell, no opening. You're going to take your knee right this is your baby knee right. It is very, very small. And you are going to glue. Wow, I'm producing a lot of glue today. And I like to turn it so where the little white part of the knee right is sticking up. And if you have any strings, don't really worry about it. All you have to do is hit it with a hot glue, hit it with the blow dryer, and all the glue strings will shrink and go away. So now the ears. The ears you want more in the front. You want closer to the eyes. And you want them touching. So the feet, I like to put the glue on the actual shell. And some of them kind of face, so like these face the same way, same direction. It's better if you can get another shell that maybe goes towards each other, like real feet would. But good thing is you can kind of twist and turn these, so it's not a problem. And then you just slide the mouse there you go. And then I always like to reinforce all of my projects with super glue, because I will tell you, if all my employees, well, if you see my live shows, you probably have heard me complain about how every time like one of my employees or my mom, my friends send me stuff they make, like if they don't live close by, it breaks, and so we have to rush and fix everything with super glue. So hot glue is good for fast. There, now it's not going to break. And there you go. You have your mouse. We did it. Thanks for joining me today on how to create a seashell mouse, and I will see you next week. Bye.